Alright guys, so we have a new tax on the PAWS right now. So if you check out your PAWS tax right now, you're going to see this particular one actually says easy PAWS web access. So this is how to get this done. So you click on start. So once you click on start, this is actually going to ask you for the web you want to use. So for me, I'm going to be using Chrome. You can use any of your browser that you are familiar with. So I'm going to click on Chrome just this way, and I'm going to allow it to verify. So it's going to bring one of my accounts right here, and once you bring it down there, you just click on this icon. You're going to see this three dot icon right here. Just click on it, right? So you're going to see add to home page, right? So you can see something like that said add to home page, then click on add to home page, right? So the name is going to be there, PAWS, then you leave it, just click on add to home page right now. So automatically it has been added to home page. Then you go to your home page. Okay, so you close this app. Let's close this. So I'm going to close this particular one right here. So my home page, you can see it's actually showing right here this PAWS. So you click on it, right? So once you click on it, get this done again. Let's check if it's going to be coming up right here. So I want to go to the web right here. So I'm going to web, and this is this on web, right? So let's go back to Telegram, and let's open on Telegram also to be able to get it out on Telegram. So it's still loading, it's still loading. All right, so let's just check out again. So you can see it's actually erasing claim. So you don't need to go to distress, just follow the step and you get it done. Thank you.